In this video we're going to look at another exercise in a trump contract, exercise 2. Now South opens the bidding 2 diamonds, 6 diamonds and 6 points. Normally it's a preemptive weak opening between 6 to 10 points and a 6 card. South opens 2 diamonds, North bids 3 diamonds, which normally means he has 3 diamonds and not a very strong hand, just to make the bidding of the opponent as difficult as possible. He bids to the number of trumps, 9. East passes and South passes 2. So the end contract is 3 diamonds. The lead is the ace of clubs. Now, as ever in a trump contract, we count the losers first. And we always count the losers first from the hand with most trumps. And so South has 6 trumps, North has 4 trumps. If you see that, by the way, North has 4 diamonds. He can also bid. He could have bid 4 diamonds, but he wanted to bid 3 diamonds, at least to make the opponent as difficult as possible. He could have also have bid 4 diamonds, but that's okay. But if you look at the lead is the ace of clubs. So we count the losers from South. Now we have 1 loser in spade, 1 loser in heart, 1 loser in diamond and 3 losers in clubs. So we have 6 losers. 6 losers means that we have to get rid of 2 losers. Because we are only allowed to have 4 losers, we have to make 9 tricks. So we have to get rid of 2 losers. Now how can we do that? Now we can use the finesse on the spade. We can use the finesse on the heart. We can play to the ace queen of spades and we can play to the ace queen of hearts. There's not much we can do in diamond. You always lose the ace of diamonds. And in clubs, what we can do in clubs, we can ruff the club in the short hand. And that is normally what we are going to do, for surely. Okay, the point with the finesse is there's 50% chance you make the queen of spades. There is 50% chance you make the queen of hearts if you play to the ace queen. But there's a much bigger chance, almost 100%, if you ruff in the short hand. Ruffing in the short hand gives much more certainty of getting rid of losers than the finesse. And we can see that in this board. We lose the first trick to the club. West play the 2 of spades. We're gonna try to use the finesse. So we play the queen of spades, but East plays the king of spades. There's a 50% chance you make the queen of spades. East continue with the 10 of spades. We win the trick with the ace of spades. Now we play a spade again and we ruff high to make sure we switch hands. We want to switch hands from north to south, because now we want to play the club. We're going to ruff the club now in the short hand with the 4 of diamonds. We get rid of a club loser by ruffing in the short hand. We continue with a spade and then we ruff. We have to switch hands to south with the 9 of diamonds. And again we continue with a club and we ruff in north, so we get rid of another club loser. And now we can draw, we're going to play the trumps. To the ace of diamonds. Yeah, we had 10 diamonds, so 2 diamonds are out, there's only 1 diamond left. The 2 of diamonds. Now we win the trick with the jack or the king of diamonds. And now we try the finesse on the heart. We can easily try it, there's nothing lost. And again we lose the finesse. Now it shows now in this board we still made the contract. Because now we have the diamond and the ace of hearts. We still made the contract, but it just shows that using the finesse gives you 50% chance of making the contract. You can see on the hand now that the king of spades beats the ace queen and the king of hearts is in the wrong position. And you can see now also that roughing in the shorthand gives much more certainty of getting rid of losers. There's nothing the opponent can do. As long as we rough the club in North twice, then we make the contract, normally. But that's not too difficult. There's nothing the opponent can do about that. We can also, in this scenario, in this board, draw the trumps first. But we have to make sure that we have 2 trumps left to rough the clubs. But this is a perfect example of that. Roughing in the shorthand is a technique which gives much more certainty of getting rid of losers than the finesse. Finesse is 50% chance. Roughing in the shorthand sometimes even 100% chance. So that was the end of the video. We talked about an exercise in a trump contract, exercise number 2. In the next video we're going to look at another exercise in a trump contract, exercise 3.